Okay, so these are the themed items that come in your box. Ooh, some fruits, working on some grocery vocab. You can also work on I have, he has, they have. I love this. Some fun stickers. I don't know about you, but all my elementary school kids absolutely love stickers, so these are always a go-to. Squishy toys. They're gonna love these. I do let my students have little fidgets. They are expected to use them under the table, so if your students are allowed to as well, these are really great, really quiet for under the table. So we have added a book into each subscription box. That way, if you're trying to incorporate more literacy into your SLP groups, then this is for you. So this is all about grocery stores, which is awesome. So you can not only work on vocab, but you can work on WH questions. And don't forget to incorporate these visuals as well as you go.